Okay, so now we have positioned the first heating pad onto the cushion. There are a couple of things which are important here. You always have to make sure that basically the heating pad is not wider than the actual seat where it gets mounted, so that must work, otherwise you have to buy another one. The second thing is, in the length, you should not cut this, but most seats are long enough that this fits perfectly. You can cut it a little bit on both sides here, as long as you don't cut into the material here. The next thing is, there is a sensor, a heating resistor sensor in here. That should be as much to the end as possible, because you should not sit on this, otherwise the temperature regulation is not correct. And then the last thing, the most important thing, after you position that, you already see my drawing here. So you push that basically into position here, and then you mark where you want to do your cut. Okay, and then you basically take this out, and now you will cut this area. And here's a very important part: never cut above these three lines here. So basically this is your plus side, that's your minus side, and you only cut inside here, and you basically stop here. Never cut through this, otherwise you can buy a complete new set. And never cut like this and this, always cut straight, so the flow of the current is still correct and not all over the place. So you can't do like a circle or anything like that. So let me cut this, then I basically tape it to the seat, and then I show you how that looks.